So I've done some videos in the past about software that every single PC should have. Today we're going to talk about software that no PC should ever install ever under any circumstances. So when it comes to the world of PCs, just getting involved in building your tower is like the surface. After that, it's like, what the heck do you do with your computer? And it can be very easy to accidentally end up with software on your computer that can hurt its performance, just completely give you a terrible experience, or worse than that, steal your information. So today we're going to talk about some of my top recommendations of items that should absolutely never make it to your PC. I'd like to point out also too that I'm going to be completely screwing my cookies on my own computer so I can go to the websites and show you the sites that you should be staying away from. First and foremost is Norton. Norton, my gosh, Norton used to just be a basic antivirus that back in its early days actually did its job. Unfortunately, Norton also became a money-making machine where it just decided to start building full suites, and with that becomes a crap ton of cost, inconvenience, and to be honest, just doesn't really do anything for your system. If you want to know how bad Norton affects the performance of your PC on top of just not really protecting you, like the amount of stuff that actually makes it through Norton's malware sniffers and actual virus scans is insane. But run a benchmark with Norton running, and then turn off Norton and run a benchmark. And you'd be surprised at absolutely how much resources Norton uses up. Of course, you can't mention Norton without mentioning McAfee. Actually, if you're ever bored, actually just look up the story of McAfee himself. That's actually his name. You're gonna find a story of and lavish vacations and stuff, capades, and it's actually, I think we had to probably mute some of those words as we went because of the algorithm. It's actually a made for TV type of story. But again, it's complete and utter garbage. And both of these programs / suites also include now the latest craze, which is VPNs. So do yourself a favor. Absolutely positively never install Norton at all in your system.